I request our beloved principal to convoy our eminent judges to the dais. I now leave the floor to Mrs. Sujata to announce the results.
Thank you, Sanchitam. Good evening, Shishya family. Good evening. Please keep up the energy levels. Hope our sparkling sessions have made our evening a fabulous and unforgettable. First of all, let us applaud the students and the teachers for their untiring efforts and the parents for their wholehearted support for making this evening a great success. And now, here comes the most awaited moment of today's evening, the results of the competitions held today, and it's time to award all the winners. First, let's start with the fashion show results. I request our Honorable Judge Mr. Rohit Nair to come forward and do the honors. We start with the third prize. The third prize for the fashion show goes to Yes? Yes, you guessed it right. It's the Topaz group. The third prize goes to Topaz, and the participants are Shamar Meenan of 3rd A, Sheikh Mohammad Suhail from 3A, Surya N from 3A, Subhash from 3A, Shruti Manoharan from 3A, Siddharth P from 3B, Tarun Krishna from 3B, Mahidhar from 3B, Vikashini Abhinaya from 3B, Sachita from 3B, Ritika from 3B, Sri Priyadarshini from 4A, Debajyoti from 4A, Pavan A from 4A, Varsha V from 4A, Santosh Esa from 4A, Soumeshri Maharana from 4A, Bhavika Ketan Chandrana from 4B, Sandhya from 4B, Aniruddha from 4B, Smriti M from 4B, Mano Adish from 4B, Hardik from 4B, Suman from 5A, Brinda RK from 5B, Bharat R from 5B, Abray Suhail from 5B. Together for this group. Yes, children, the second prize goes to I think you are the better judges. Yes, the second prize goes to Sapphires. And the participants are Chandra Chudeshwar from 3A, NS Sam from 3A, Hariharam from 3A, Sam Andrew from 3A, Lokesh Krishna from 3A, Gokul Krishna from 3B, Srivatsam from 3B, Manasa from 3B, Shruti S from 3B, Subhiksha from 3B, Aditya Krishna from 4A, Bharatraj S from 4A, Hemal C from 4A, Kanishka R from 4A, Vedant from 4A, Arun Kumar from 4B, Disha S Babu from 4B, Harish BM from 5A, Harshit from 5A, Prajwal S Suri from 5B, Tuvijat A from 5B, Neha Prabhakar from 5B, Saundarya Jaya from 5B, and Riya Vikas from 3B. So the first prize for the fashion show is shared by Emeralds and the Rupees teams. The Rupees team comprises of Aman Singh, 3rd B, Devbalagiri of 3B, Dhanush from 4A, Sai Munesh from 3A, Anirudh from 3A, Chirag NR from 4A, Pratosh Kumar N from 3A, Sai Ishwar 4A, Vishnu Aditya from 4A, Prasanna Kumar from 4A, Sunayana Afrim from 4A, Kavya S from 4B, Nijasrita from 4B, Srinidhi GS from 4B, Rajashri B from 3B, Nivedita M from 3B, Prashant B from 5B, Kailia from 5A, Jitu from 5A, Punin Samuel from 5A, Tendanika from 3B, and Vijay Raghav from 3A. The Emeralds House, the participants comprises of Ines Joshi from 3A, Shri Dhruti from 3A, Prerana from 3A, Varshini from 3B, Vasundhara from 3B, Neha Thomas from 4A, Harshita from 4B, Sanjana from 5B, Mridula from 5A, Prakriti from 5B, Jay Kiran from 4B, Ravi Kiran from 4A, Deepak US from 4B, Varun K. Sami from 4A, Darnesh Rahul from 4B, Ishant from 4A, Pavinjo Haris from 5B, Sumet Prashant Kulkarni from 5B, Gangesh from 3B, Harshamina from 3B. We also have the rolling trophy for the fashion show, which is sponsored by Mrs. Vijay Ravichandran in memory of our beloved mother, Vithobai. I request the captain and vice captains of the Emeralds and the Rubies House team to collect the trophy. I request the captains and the vice captains of the two houses to come forward and receive the trophy.